Welcome to the RUCKUS tutorial on how to replace the ESC. Use an 8-meter wrench. Remove the fixing device of the motor wire and disconnect the taillight's connection wire. Flip the board. We need to open the fixed card slot for the motor wire. Rotate the threaded lock and disconnect the connecting wire. Remove the grip tape and use Torx-Bit's T20 feature to remove the 4 screws on one side with the motors. When disassembling, use your hands to hold the ESC to prevent it from falling and being damaged. Turn the board over and disconnect the power supply, charging cable and light module. Some hall wires may have yellow fixing glue, which is used to secure the connection of the wiring harness terminals, not to lock the card slot, so please rest assured to disassemble it. If the new ESC does not come with a motor or power wire, we need to move the original wiring harness to the new ESC. Please be careful not to link the wiring harness incorrectly. The position of the power supply wiring is critical. Please be careful when replacing it. Same operation on the other side. Cut open the insulating rubber protective cover on the outside of the connection between the antenna and the ESC. After the wire harness transfer is completed, it is recommended to use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the 4 fixing screws of the ESC and remove the old ESC. New ESC installation requires the use of heat-dissipating silicone grease or heat-dissipating silicone wafers. Reinstall and tighten the screws. During installation, pay attention to adjusting the position of the ESC and pre-allocate space for placing the lighting module. Reconnect the power switch and lighting module. Place the new insulating rubber protective cover on the antenna module, then connect the antenna and heat it to prevent it from loosening. The interface of the antenna is relatively fragile. Please be careful during installation and disassembly. Connect the taillight wire and tighten it. Next, we need to restore all dismantled wiring harnesses. Fix the connection wire of the motor in the slot. During installation, please pay attention to the placement of the power interface and lighting module to avoid improper placement that may cause compression damage. Retighten the fixing screws. During the locking process, to prevent gaps, please alternate locking. Reconnect the phase line of the motor. Please refer to the direction of the arrow at the alignment port for connection. After connection, please tighten the thread. Reinstall the fixing device for the motor wire. Close the fixed card slot. Turn on the board, long press the power button, and when you hear a beeping sound, turn on the remote control. Short press the two buttons simultaneously to complete the pairing. Turn off the remote control. Press and hold the two buttons on the remote to enter the set interface. Short press the function key or power key to switch between up and down options. Set the speed display to MPH wheel diameter set to 175, motor pole pairs set to 7, speed ratio set to 4.5. The installation ends here. Thank you for watching.